So hello friends, in this video we will talk about difference between government school and a private school. What is the difference between government school and the private school? So we will cover this topic especially because I am talking about this topic. So I will cover this topic on the basis of parents, right? So suppose I am a parent. So which one should I prefer for my child? Which would be more helpful for his or her future? So let us talk upon this. So first of all, let us talk about private schools. So as you know, in private schools, we have better facilities. We have better monitoring system. Maybe we have better faculty. And it is considered that private school teachers look after students more better, or you can say in a better manner rather than the government of the school. Now let us come to the government school. What is wrong with the government school? I don't think so there is any wrong thing in the government school nowadays, especially because in old days it used to happen that teachers were mostly absent in the class, and there were mess all around. There was less facilities. But these days, and in this time we are living in, even those places have become comparatively equal, according to me. So here a thing comes, okay, then where should I enroll my child? Should I enroll my child in private school or government school? So according to me, it depends on the student who you are taking to the school, right? So suppose if I have a daughter or a son, I want to enroll him or her to a school. So what do I do then? What points should I keep in our mind which would be helpful for me? So according to me, the most important thing is we should first analyze the child, not the school. Okay. So how can you analyze the child? You can take him to a teacher with whom you are acquainted with and ask him that is he or her able to go in that particular class in which you want to take him or put him. So the teacher will tell you all the pros and cons of the student, and after analyzing, he will tell you the better possibilities that which would help ultimately to the child. But we do not do this. As a parent, what do we do? We just see his or her age. We do not see the knowledge. If we see that my child is growing bigger and he or she has crossed the limit of the age according to the class, then we will not put him or her in that class where he should be. We should enroll the student according to his or her knowledge, not on the basis of the age, right? It should be on the basis of the knowledge, not age. And this is ruining the future of students. So always keep in mind that we have to go through the knowledge, not go through the age. If you want to develop your child, educate your child in most proficient manner, then I would say analyze through the knowledge, not analyze through the age. This would help a lot. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this.